So you can see, I have been generating these $100, over $200, and even over $300 on daily basis. And in today's video, I want to show you a brand new copy and paste formula, which you can use to make over $1,500 per week for completely free. All you have to do is just copy and paste the template, which I will provide to you in the end of this video. So drop a like to this video, and let's start. So step number 1 is to come over to this website, where I have been getting these $100, $200, and even $300 payments on daily basis. The name of this website is adcreative.ai, and the same is the URL of this website. This is an AI builder for ad creatives, which means it's an artificial intelligence robot that's going to help you to build all kinds of ad creatives. So for example, any kind of brand, any kind of advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you can pretty much create advertisements right here. And the thing is that this website is actually a partner with Google and Facebook, and this website can provide you with $500 Google Ads voucher. So whenever you're going to sign up to this website, you can actually receive this $500 free Google Ads credit. But don't worry, we are not going to be using this Google Ads credit. Neither you need to create any ads or whatsoever. So step number 2, what we are going to be doing is, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website, and you want to click on where it says affiliate. And on this affiliate page, you're going to see that, if as an affiliate, you're going to bring just 10 people, it's going to pay you over $700 per month. And if you're going to bring just 100 of them, you are going to get paid over $7,000 per month, which is more than $1,500 per week. And in the next few minutes, I will show you how to get 100 people to this site completely for free. The cool thing about this method is, they will also give you thousands of dollars in bonuses as you keep bringing in more users to this website. So if you're going to bring like 100 people overall, they are actually going to pay you a $1,000 bonus on top of the $7,400 commission. Now, if you're going to use this method for the next like 2 or 3 days, with like 20 minutes per day, you can make $700 per month or even couple $1,000 per week very easily. Step number 3. Now all you have to do is sign up as an affiliate using this Become a Partner button right here. It's going to redirect you to an external affiliate program they are running on a website that is called partnerstack.com. To create an account, first of all, you have to enter your email ID in this box and click on Continue button. Then on next page, just enter some simple information and click on Create Account. Once you create your account and log into it, that will look something like this. Now on this homepage, I want you to select the Ad Creative program out of different programs you might be promoting. And on this Ad Creative affiliate page, I want you to click on Links option on the left-hand side. Now, leave this page open like that, and come back to this website's homepage. Here, I want you to click on this Get $500 free Google Ads credit option. That's gonna take you to this page where if you scroll down and read, you will find that this web page will teach users step by step exactly how to get the $500 free Google Ads credit. And you want to copy URL to this page from this bar on the top. Then come back to partnerstack.com and paste your copied URL in this box where it says redirect to optional. And then your custom referral link is going to say something like 500 voucher. And let's go to December 2022. So people are going to see that this is up to date. Now, just simply click on create button under this, and this is going to be our custom affiliate link. So, instead of going to the main page, which is just selling the software, this affiliate link is going to be selling the software, but also is going to be highlighting the $500 voucher. Now step number 4, I will show you how to use Google to literally get thousands of targeted leads and targeted people that are going to be signing up through your affiliate link. And you can be making like $1,500 per week. But before that, like this video and help me to get 1,000 likes on this video. Okay, so, first of all, you want to go to Google, and you want to search for something like this in the Google, like any local business, and then you want to add these quotation marks, and at gmail.com, and quotation marks close. The local business can be anything, for example, barber. Now you want to search for that, and this is going to show you all these different search results that are going to have barbers and their Gmail accounts. But you don't have to actually go through any of these search results yourself, because that would just take a lot of time. Instead, all you need to do is just press Ctrl and U on your keyboard, and it's going to pop this huge code right here. Now, just click on Ctrl and A to select all the codes, and then click on Ctrl and C to copy all the codes on this screen. The next thing you want to do is go over to this website, which is extractemailadress.com. This website will help you to extract email addresses from that search results code page. So, you just want to paste the text directly in this box right here, and it's going to extract all the email addresses from the search results right here. As you can see, emails are actually found and you have them right here. Now, here is the cool part. You can put a barber in New York, barber in Texas, or barber in some other location. And you can collect as many email as possible. So for example, search for barber in New York and hit enter. And again, press Ctrl plus U on your keyboard, and that's gonna show you this codes page. Now, press Ctrl plus A, and then Ctrl plus C to copy all the text on this page. And then paste it right here in this box, and it's going to give you another email addresses. Once you collect 10 to 20 emails at a time, I want you to go to Google and search for replace lines with commas, and just select the first website link. That's gonna take you to this page. So now, you want to paste these email addresses right in this left box. And just for the sake of the video, there's just a couple of them, but you can do this for thousands and thousands of different email addresses. And what you just need to do is delete the little dots at the end of every single email addresses, because that's like a little bug with the software, so it always includes the dot. Now, as you can see in the right side box, all your emails are with commas here. Now step number 5, you're going to just copy these entire email addresses from the right box, and you want to go to your Gmail account. Now right here is going to say to, and you want to select BCC in this box, and you want to copy and paste all of the recipients, that is, all emails addresses right here. And you can see, it's going to get this amount of the emails. But the thing is, you can pretty much just do this on all the pages on Google search results. So this is the first page, then there is the second page, then page number 3, page number 4, and you can literally get thousands and thousands of targeted leads. Now the most important part is, when you are sending out these emails, you want to make sure you're going to enter BCC, because in this case, when people are going to receive your email, when it says BCC, it's going to send them one by one. If you were to use the CC, everyone would see that. This is like a mass email sent to a lot of people. But if you're going to input the BCC, every single person is going to receive a separate email. And it's going to seem like you are emailing every single person, personally. And now, you really just need to come with an email, or use the one that I created for you, which is going to convert very, very well. So, this is the email template that I have created for you guys. And you just literally need to copy and paste it, and add your affiliate link. So, just paste the subject line right here, on the subject. And then, you want to copy and paste the body of the email from the script to this email, which we will send in a minute. Now you can find this email template link in the link in the video description. You can just copy and paste it, but you want to make sure that you are going to enter your affiliate link, and you want to use this custom one, because the entire email is created about this $500 advertising coupon. So, just copy your custom affiliate link from here, go to your email right here, and then you just want to click right here, where it says, simply click on this link. Select this entire line, and this is where you want to add your affiliate link. So just click on this insert link option, and paste your link in this box right here, and press OK button. Then, make it bold just like this. And then, also the second link is going to be right here. Highlight it again, add your custom affiliate link from insert option, and make it bold as well. Now in the email, I am telling people that they can actually get a $500 voucher, and when they are going to get it, you're going to receive an affiliate commission. That's it for today. Click on the video showing on the screen to make more money.